viewers, today we will solve 234 LeetCode question, which is palindrome linked list. The first question arises is that what is palindrome? So palindrome, if you read from forward and backward, it will remain the same. So this is the real meaning of in palindrome. So you just have to return true or false whether it is palindrome or not. If you read this from forward 1 2 2 1, and if you read this from backward, then it will 1 2 2 1. So this is a palindrome, so you just have to return the true. And this is not because from forward and backward it is different. So how can you do this? So just approach this problem. First you have to create the list node star C, which we create a dummy node of list node, okay, list node, new list node of 100. Okay, means you have created a linked list with starting node 100, and you have to traverse to the linked list node star, which is temp. Okay, temp, it is at the head position, and for traversing of a list node C, you just have to create a temp C, which is traverse through the C node. Okay, just go while temp, you just have to check whether the list node star node equals to, first you have to create the temp. Well, means the approach is that I will create a one more linked list which is just exactly like that, and then I will reverse it. Okay, and then I will compare that whether it is equal or not. So list node temp well. Okay, temp well, temp C equal temp C ka next, then you just have to attach with the node, and temp equals to temp ka next. Okay, and temp C equals to temp C ka next. Okay, after that you just have to move C equals to C ka next, and then you just have to reverse the list. So reverse list, I will copy paste the code from my previous, which I have done. I just have to copy paste this code, Control C and Control V. Okay, reverse, this is the reverse list, and then you have to create a list node star A is equal, which is pointing to the head, and list node star B, which is pointing to the C. Okay, and then I will check, I will traverse while A is not equals to null. If A ka val is not equals to B ka val, okay, then I just have to return the false, because if it is not equal, then I will directly return the false. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, then I will move forward. A equals to A का next, and B equals to B ka next. Okay, and after that I just have to return true. So this is the approach. Let's run it. Compiler error, is there any? Okay, reverse the spelling mistake in reverse list. Maybe, yeah, it is running properly. You can see. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is submitted. Thank you for watching.